Ever wondered why your stomach makes that growling sound when you're hungry? That sound isn't actually your stomach begging for food. It's caused by your intestines. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your digestive muscles to contract. These contractions mix up leftover food, gas, and digestive juices, creating that rumbling noise. Your stomach growls even when you're not hungry, you just notice it more when it's empty. So, next time your stomach growls, remember, it's not just hunger, it's science.